So hello and welcome to this Xente demo. So Xente is a digital account that comes with awesome finance automation software. And so today I will show you how it works. Okay. So let's get into it. So I'll log into my account, and as a business, immediately I am able to see an overview of my business, right? My balance, my money in, my money out, and any requests that I need to work on. Okay, my dashboard. All right. So what Center gives you really is you get different payment instruments. So everything from corporate cards, mobile money, bank transfers, airtime, internet bill transfer, bill payments, and internal transfers. You can also accept online payments and soon post payments. But more importantly, you get tooling to help you manage your business, right? So I've already shown you like approval workflows, which I'll go deeper into a little bit later, but as well transactions and statements that happen in real time for your auditors, as well as workflows, managing your team, managing businesses, managing multiple accounts. Okay, so I'll just dive into a little bit into some of the features, right? So let's look at cards, right? So as a Sente business account holder, you are able to create physical cards as well as virtual cards. So the virtual cards are perfect for making online payments to companies like Google, Microsoft, Uber, and the likes. Physical cards are excellent for offline payments for things like fuel. Okay. Now, what makes our cards different is the fact that you can apply policies on that card. Okay. So, for example, you can say this card can only be used at fuel stations. Okay. Just to show you what a basic workflow looks like. So, let's say I wanted to send mobile money to somebody. I would put in their phone number. Okay. The name, amount that I want to send them, a reason I sent. Okay. Now remember that Cente is about finance management and finance automation. So you get, approval workflows. So this could go to your supervisor. You see, you can attach documents, and when your supervisor approves these transactions, we're able to post them to different accounting ERPs like QuickBooks, SAP, and others, right? Yeah, so that's it in a nutshell. You get awesome statements that come with all your documentation, very rich statements that tell you exactly where, when, and how every expense was done. Okay, so that's Sente in a nutshell. When it's used by businesses today, including the likes of Jumia, M-Kopa, UAP, to make payments, but also track every penny that they are spending and account and audit like the professional companies they are. Okay, so thank you very much.